Now we are going to solve the ninth problem in the ninth chapter. What is asked in the problem? First I will read the problem. Assuming that energy released by the fission of a single 92 uranium 235 nucleus is 200 million electron volt. Calculate the number of fissions per second required to produce 1 watt power. How much amount of power is generated? Here the power generated. First I will write the power generated in the generators. How much? 1 watt. Are you clear? So here you should know the fundamental formula. Power is equal to energy or work done. Okay. So here we will take it as energy divided by time. This is the fundamental formula. 1 watt is equivalent to 1 joule divided by 1 second. Are you clear? So therefore 1 joule is equal to 1 watt second. That is, in 1 second, if 1 joule amount of energy is liberated, that is equivalent to 1 watt. Are you clear? Power generated means, is it clear? 1 joule amount of energy is liberated. Are you clear? So here power generated is known. Are you clear? So let's write the energy value. Energy released. What is this? Energy released when 1 watt power is produced, that must be written. Are you clear? From this simple formula we can write energy released when 1 watt power is produced. How much? 1 joule. So in that format we have to write. Are you clear? So everything that takes place in 1 second, that must be understood. Energy released per second is all. Energy released per fission is also given. Energy released per fission in the case of 92 uranium 235 is given. Are you clear? How much? 200 million electron volt. This much amount of energy is released in single fission. Are you clear? Of 92 uranium 235. This value must be converted into joule. 200 instead of million I am writing 10 to the power of 6. Electron volt must be converted into SI system. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joule. So we know this factor, we know this factor. If this factor is divided, this factor should be written in the denominator. This one must be written in the numerator. So n, number of, what is n? Number of fissions. What is this? Number of fissions per second to be calculated. Number of fissions taking place per second when 1 watt power is produced. No, number of fissions per second is equivalent to, this sentence must be written, energy released when 1 watt, what is this? When 1 watt power is produced, that must be written. Are you clear? Whole divided by, what should be written? Energy released per fission must be substituted. Are you clear? Now in the next step, energy released when 1 watt power produced is how much? 1 joule whole divided by this factor, 200 into 10 to the power of 6 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. All the factors are substituted. This is also in joule. Joule can be cancelled. The next step, what are the remaining factors? 200 and 1.6, both are there. Both of them must be multiplied. 200 into 1.6 is equal to how much? 320. 1 by 320. Here, what are the other values? 10 to the power of 6 is there, 10 to the power of minus 19 is there. Are you clear? If these two are simplified, you will be getting the answer as that 1 by 320 to be calculated. 1 divided by 320 is equal to 0.003125. So this factor that gives you this result. Here, if it is simplified, you will be getting 10 to the power of minus 13. If it is brought up, that won't become 10 to the power of plus 13. So after simplification, the answer that one becomes 3.125 into 10 to the power of 10. So this many number of fissions are taking place. This many number of fissions are taking place per second. Are you clear? This is the value called n. Could you understand? When 1 watt power is generated, how many number of fissions must be taking place? 3.125 into 10 to the power of 10 fissions per second, is clear, must be taking place. Only then 1 watt power can be generated. Understood?